Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
Well, we made it to Friday, and as we look ahead towards the weekend looks awesome. Now, there probably will be a little bit of controlled burn, so there's probably going to be some smoke that's out there, but temperatures are going to be increasing. On the same note, I wouldn't do any outdoor burning. The Forestry Service does this because the fires spread. I don't know why they do it. I guess it's because they spread it the direction and the way that they want it to spread. I'm not a fire weather expert, but I will tell you though, if you do light a fire in your backyard, the thing's going to go nuts because everything's dead and the humidity is low this weekend. On the upside, it is sunny. And it's also pretty warm. So let's take a look at what's happening. First, what happened last night? Well, it wasn't warm. It wasn't sunny. It was actually a little bit sleety. This in the Fort Smith area. Robin sent this in to us. You can see the sleet out there last night. It's hard to believe it was like 80 degrees a couple days ago. And now we had what? And a few snowflakes flying around Northwest Arkansas last night. That's not the case this morning, though. There's a live look coming up. 49 as you crest the hill and you're looking out towards Fayetteville. Temperatures over the next couple of days will be on the uptick, and it doesn't look like we have any major cold spells that are ahead of us, at least in the near term. Let's go ahead and head on over to the radar, and then we're going to take a closer look at what's going on as far as the computer model data shows. This is a look at the satellite and radar. It shows some of the showers that were out there last night that moved through the area. They're all east now. They're running out around Chattanooga and Huntsville, Birmingham, some heavier showers down around that area, but nothing locally moving in. In fact, if anything, this system's behind us and it's moving on out towards the east and towards the northeast. Let's see if I can pull up some satellite data real quick for you and show you what this looks like in terms of the system that moved through. Now, this moved through the area last night. It gave us a little bit of precipitation here and there, but it wasn't a very big one. There it is. Oh, there you go. Isn't that interesting looking? Let's hit play on this. So that's the mid-level low. That's what brought us the sleet and the snow last night. It's a little compact little sucker, isn't it? That thing's moving out and it spins counterclockwise, right? So we're pulling in the cool air first, but then we get these westerly winds, and then as the low moves out, we get southwest winds, which are warm winds. So that's the low pressure system that's moving out of the area, and we have plenty of sunshine that's going to be moving in. So the weekend actually looks awesome. We're looking at highs somewhere around the mid 70s on Saturday, upper 70s to near 80 degrees on Sunday. Awesome. Weekend looks perfect. Now, late Sunday, the clouds will roll back in. I think we have some rain chances coming up by Monday or so. I'm going to head on over to the Jetstream maps. I put a little label there showing you where we are in Arkansas. And so you can see the low that just moved through. That's that little red dot that's right on top of the Oz. And then heading into the weekend, a little ridge builds in. This is why it gets warm. It's warm as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Here comes the next system. See the upper level winds moving in? You really have a split jet stream there with a subtropical jet to the south, which is that darker blue color at the very bottom of the screen by the banner. And it's still warm into Monday, but by Monday and Tuesday, this little ripple right here in the southern jet stream that's moving through, it's just south of the Oz. That is the next system. So that's Sunday night and Monday right there. And I think that probably will cause some showers and storms. The atmosphere essentially reloads and shoots another one our way right here. This is next Thursday. And then that one to the west moves through right here, which is next Saturday. And then another one moves through late Sunday. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? Yeah. We're going to be seeing a lot more in the way of active weather here for the next day or so with more scattered showers and the potential for some thunderstorms in the overnight hours too. So that's what's happening. It is going to be an active pattern next week, but the weekend though looks super duper awesome for all of us. So head outside and enjoy it today. Take your allergy medicine. The south winds are out there. The trees are still budding and blossoming, and it's going to feel, well, it's going to be a little sneezy, especially if any of those controlled burns take off. Have a great weekend.